Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Soft Steps with Nimi, where we can deeply connect with ourselves. Today we will talk about something very small but very impactful that helps us to change our mindset. That is gratitude. Gratitude is very helpful to change our negative thoughts into positive. Like sometime we are facing some hard time in our life. I think that time gratitude is very important because gratitude help us to remember the good things in our life, because that time we are just focusing on negative thoughts. We are just focusing like, I have this negative or bad thing in my life, like why this is happening to me. Then gratitude helps us to remember the good things, that we have something good in our life. So today we will talk about the 5 steps that helps us to be grateful in our life. Okay, let's get into it. First step is start your day with 3 small gratitudes. When you wake up, don't grab your phone. Just pause, sit, and think about 3 small things. Like, don't wait for, like, if something big will happen in my life, then I will be grateful. Just think about small things. Like, for example, if you have a cup of tea in your hand, be grateful for that. You wake up alive, be grateful for that. Even for your bed, you can be grateful. In this way you can turn your mind from negative to positive side. In this way you can start to see good things in everything. So I think we don't need to spend 30 minutes. Like sometimes we think like, I don't have time, I don't have enough time to do this. You don't need 30 minutes, bro. You just need 10 to 20 seconds to do it, to do this. Step number 2, write down gratitude journal. At the end of the day, start to write something you are grateful for. It You don't need to make it very big, or you don't need to write down 2 or 3 pages. Just some lines that you are grateful for this thing. In this way, whenever you are in your hard time, you can read it again and you can remember that you have good things in your life too. Step number 3, say it out loud. When you like something in somebody, or when you want to appreciate somebody, just say it. Like sometime we like something in somebody, even it can be your friend, family member, or even to strangers too. Like yesterday I went to Walmart and cashier had a very beautiful eyes. I just said it, and after that I know he felt very nice, and I also felt very nice. When we give a compliment with pure attention, in this way we can deepen our sense of gratitude. Fourth step is turn moments into mindfulness. Gratitude is not only a morning ritual. We have to carry this with ourselves for whole day. Sometimes we think that if we start a new routine, then we can find peace. When we achieve something big, when we do something big, then we can find a peace. But it's not true. You can find peace in smallest things in your life. You just need to focus. You just need to pay attention where you are. For example, when you are making a morning tea, just slow down, don't rush. Just feel the warmth of the water. When you are waiting in line, instead of focusing on your phone, focus on your breath. In this way, your brain start to see good things in smallest part of your life. We spend so much time on worrying about our future, to think about our past, but what we have to do, we have to be present in this moment. In this way, when you do this, when you turn a moment into mindfulness, you say, I am awake, I am alive. And when you do this from that place, you feel grounded, you can be more clear about your life. Fifth step is use a trigger gratitude object. This is also a very good way to stay connected throughout your day. Like you can take any physical object. For example, you can wearing any bracelet every day. You can associate with this, even for your phone wallpaper, even for crystal or any kind of stone. Whenever you touch it or whenever you see it, you just have to take a breath and think about one thing that you are grateful for. In this way, you start to shifting your mindset from negative to positive side. When you do this constantly, it becomes your mental habit, and slowly your nervous system start to think slowly. You start to feel peace in your life. So these micro habits helps us to build positive mindset. When we pay gratitude on daily basis, we rewire our brain to from negative shift to positive shift. When we are in our hard time, we can remember good things, and we can also, when we are doing these gratitude affirmations on the daily basis, we can think like, what I'm learning from this situation, what this situation is teaching to me when we are in our hard time. So I think gratitude is very important in our life. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this, please like and subscribe this channel. Hope we will meet in next video. Bye bye.